Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your Roblox not loading on your mobile and you want to be able to fix this problem? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to exit your Roblox app, and instead you're going to actually open up your settings app. So go into the settings app on your phone, and in here, we're just going to scroll down until we can see where it says general, as you can see. So click on general in here, and then you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says storage, as you can see. So just click on storage. And by the way, this can sometimes take a couple of seconds to load. And if you have, by the way, an Android phone, just go into your settings as well and find storage. It's going to be the exact same guide after that, step by step, even if you have an Android or even if you have an iPhone. So it doesn't matter, just so you know. So I'm just going to scroll down now in here and do the same thing if you have an Android. Just keep scrolling down until you get to the Roblox app here. So click on Roblox. Now you're just going to click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Wait a couple of seconds for this page to load, and then click on the blue button here again. So now you're just going to wait like a couple of seconds, maybe a couple of minutes if you're really unlucky, because what will happen is that you will get a new update from Roblox, and it should be able to fix this problem for you, because a lot of this Roblox like not loading or not working on your on your phone, quite often it is unfortunately an update issue. So we can just do this and then hope that it's going to fix most of the problems basically. So just wait for it to load. This fixed it for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.